this next poem is about the rain.
Yeah, this is पावसा पाणयाची कविता.
In Goa, the rain is a very important time of the year for most of us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, but what happened these days? Rain, the season of the rain become totally the environment was gone here and that unbalanced.
Yeah.
So, but this is the rain. Basically, I experienced during my childhood in my village.
It used to rain very heavily in those days.
Yeah, yeah. And I used to go to school in that days. To my village is this side, and my school is that side. So I used to go by canoe.
I see.
From the other side, from Tuyam to the Arabo. Every day, from morning to an afternoon.
I see.
I had done my almost up to 8th standard by passing through the canoe.
I see.
So, and during this burns were there, and after this burns, when there is a heavy rain, automatically water flows from that burn, and automatically we get the holidays.
Okay.
So we have enjoyed many
because
holidays.
Because of rain, the school is there's no school declared.
So,
So you enjoy.
Yeah.
So this is a child's impression of the rain.
Yes,
It's
this is
from a
child
child's point of view.
impression. What he is thinking now,
What he has lost out and what he has missed.
Yeah. So this is पावसा पाणयाची कविता. He's saying पावसा इलय means पावसा आयलो तू. हाँ पावसा आयलो तू.
तू पेनाचे डायरेक्ट इन वाच.
पावसा इलय मा तुझा स्वागत करतो. Means I welcome you. पावसा इलय मा तुझा स्वागत करतो. माझ्या वऱ्या वऱ्यानी फाळ्या फाळ्यानी धरच्यांनी खेळत राव. Means the parts of my farm. हाँ माझ्या वऱ्या वऱ्यानी फाळ्या फाळ्यानी धरच्यांनी खेळत राव. Means running.
Play
catching. Yeah.
With me all over my farm.
Yeah. मी बैलांक पेंड लायता. Means I am working for
feeding the cattle.
पावसा घाटावरसून इलाय दडकांनी व्हाळ व्हावय. पावसा घाटावरसून इलाय दडकांनी व्हाळ व्हावय. ओठांक लाली लावन दर्याक शिरंगारून रावानी. ओठांक लाली लावन दर्याक शिरंगारून रावानी. मगीर वसाडेर व्हडा सुट्टय. मगीर वसाडेर व्हडा सुट्टय. ल्हाराचेर हलानी धोलानी हलानी धोलानी. पावसा काळोख करून दिलाय. पावसा काळोख करून दिलाय. मोठ्या थेंब्याची दडाक थडय. 5 कामरुणां घेऊन घुसपट मारून निघताय.
5 कामरुणां
means 5 blankets.
You take 5 blankets and just go off to
because
sleep.
of the heavy rain, there is a nice environment.
It's a good time to sleep.
5 कामरुणां घेऊन घुसपट मारून दिताय. आई शाळा वाटावली. आई शाळा वाटावली तर तुका 10 पैसे दिताय. If I missed my school because of you, I will give you the 10 paisa. Because that time 10 paisa is a big sum. पावसा इलाय धुमशाणा काणीत राव. म्हणजे मेळटा तसो पडत राव. पावसा इलाय धुमशाणा काणीत राव. झाडाक रोमाट खेळांनी धरतरेक 5 शालू नेसानी. झाडाक रोमाट खेळांनी धरतरेक 5 शालू नेसानी.
Let the trees
play with the drums with the shigmo romtamil and धरतरेक 5 शालूनी. Let green sarees. झाडाक ने व्हंकलेचो चुडो भरूनी. Like a new bride. Let झाडांक ने व्हंकलेचो चुडो भरूनी. पावसा केव्हा केव्हा उचुकांनी खेळत राव. Means don't go on meeting us now. Sometime
take a break.
केव्हा केव्हा उचुकांनी खेळत राव. खडपांक शेळ्यां निसरानी. Means let the stone become slippery. We want to play on this. खडपाक शेळ्यां निसरानी. भुरग्यांक घोडुनी सोदुनी. भुरग्यांक घोडुनी सोदुनी आनी कोठाल्ल्यांक बारसो मनोवनी. कोठाल्ल्यांक बारसो मनोवनी. गायनोळ्याक बुनयाद मारुनी. गायनोळ्याक म्हाका तेऱ्याचो भुरको मारूंक मेळानी. तेरे, you know, tere, taukulo, everything comes. This is the rainy vegetable you get in the Goa. This is what that should be taken the taste of this vegetable in this season only. पावसा इलाय और घेऊन ये. और means let come with the flood. और घेऊन ये. घराचे धडेक पाणी तेकानी. Let water touch to my this balcony. पोईन पोडके सुंगटा चढानी. After going the flood goes. After the again the high tide water comes in the this small point. Then you get a small big nice prawns coming on this
with the tide.
Yeah. पोईन पोडके सुंगटा चढानी. मगीर म्हाका धडेर बसान शेतकां चरबोट्यो गरोवनी. And that time was the good used to have the garoni fishing on the putting the this and having. माझ्या पावसा इलाय माझ्या bedroom. Now this man has become elder and he is also thinking now after my childhood everything I have experienced.
Yeah.
पावसा इलाय माझ्या बेडरूमाचेर आयची पहिली रात माझ्या बेडरूमाचेर आयची पहिली रात माणो धालो गायत राव माणो धालो गायत राव
Sing the songs.
या सिंग धालो माणो सॉंग्स मी तिका काणी सांगताय मी तिका काणी सांगताय राजा राणयेची तिच्या मनान तिच्या कानान राजा राणयेची तिच्या कानान तिच्या मनान पावसा इलाय तुझा बरा जावं पावसा इलाय तुझा बरा जावं पूण माझा एकूच काम कर माझा भुरगेपण तुझ्या पावळ्यान इरगाळ्ळां ता मास्सा दिवन वच
पावळ्यांनी
इरगाळ्या मीन्स डिजॉल्व इन युअर दीस
In your showers.
showers ता मास्सा दिवन वच
In the rural parts of Goa, the rainy season is a very important time of the year, and people look forward to the rains.
Yes, and they enjoy this.
Yeah. It's not something which you fear or you don't like.
No.
It's not like a winter in Europe.
Yeah.
Thanks.